Go, get up.
Help me up. Oh, you're so strong. Oh, she's like throwing me against the cabinets. You gonna push me over? You gonna push me over? Now what? You fell over too. You pushed me this way. Help me up. Oh, no, don't smack me while I'm down. You gonna push me over? Whoa! Help me up. Help me up.
Dash, get out of here.
You're so strong. Thank you. Help me up. Help
Enough.
me up. Thank you. What about Uncle Delmo?
No.
Let me see. You gotta get Uncle Delmo. Go knock him over. Go get him. Go knock him over. Whoa. Oh. You're throwing me all around. You're throwing me all around. Whoa. You gonna throw for Dash? Oh, not in my lap. Wait a minute, Dash. Throw. There you go. Good job.
Easy, Dash. Easy, Dash.
No, throw it. You gotta throw it. You pushed me right over. You pushed me right over. Oh. It's cracking up. Peekaboo. Can you say peekaboo? Don't smack me while I'm down. Help me up. Face me. You're gonna. Let's go get Uncle Delmo. Get him. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Push him over. Push him.
I don't know.
You better get him. Go get him. Whoa! Go get Uncle Delmo.
Come here.
Get Uncle Delmo. Get Uncle
You gonna
Delmo.
push me?
Get him. Get him.
You gonna push? Oh!
Uh-oh. Help him up.
Dash, go. Come on. Oh!
All right.
Oh! Let's go.
Good job. Push him over. Push him over.
What are you gonna do with my hand?
You got.
Oh! Come on, help me up. Oh! Good job. Oh! You gotta push my legs up. Now what? Now what?
Dash, go lay down.
Put the legs down.
Sit.
Legs up.
Help him up.
Legs down.
You're a bully. You're a bully. Oh, no. Hey, no, we don't hit.
Let's go. Let's get on here.
We don't hit. No more hitting. That's the face that you missed the other day. Okay, all right. All right. No more hitting, thank you. Go tell, I want you to say I'm sorry. Can you say sorry? We haven't got that part yet.
Hi. Can you blow me a kiss? Can you blow me a kiss? Now you want to push people?
She just gets carried away. I know she doesn't mean anything.
Mommy!
What?
Mine!
No. Oh my gosh, we're on a sugar rush.
I know.
She's going
All
crazy.
done.
Yeah, all
All
done.
done. Good job.
Can you say trick or treat?
Gee. Your little cute face.
You're precious. Can you blow kisses to Daddy? Say, mwah.
You know that he's going to have to look at sideways, right?
Yeah, that's okay. Sorry, Dad. You have to look at it sideways.
Mwah.
Aww.
Give kisses to the camera.
Mwah. Where's Taylor's eyes?
She wants to give a kiss to the camera.
Give kisses?
There you go.
Yeah. Oh, you want to see it?
She's like, I like my pretty self.
Say hi, baby. No. You don't want to get in trouble. Mwah. I love you. Oh, sorry. You kind of hit your face on it. Can you say I love you? Can you say I love you?
Baby?
Yeah.
Yes,
It's
see?
Taylor.
Taylor.
Can you say Taylor? Say Taylor.
Baby?
Yeah.
Baby?
Mm-hmm.
Baby? Apple?
What's that word?
What?
Apple?
Open? Open? Closed.
Open?
Here. Uncle Dama. Can you open the refrigerator? Can you open the refrigerator?
Okay. Can you open it?
Open the fridge. Open the refrigerator. Right here. Open it.
Apple?
Yeah, open it up. Come on.
Ours is pretty hard.
Ours is good. She can do it. Come on, you can do it. Pull it open.
What?
Come on, pull it hard. Uh-oh. She can't get ours either, but it's cute to watch her try. Give 5. Good job. Nice try.
No.
Bubble. Bubble. Whoa! What happened? Okay. More what? Do you say more, please?
Get.
Yeah. All right. I'll give you one more piece and that's it. Mommy's a sucker. Careful. Can you get it? It's very small. Yes. Good job. Good job. All done. All done. All done. All done.
Like-
That's it? All done. Are you thirsty? Okay.
She said please twice.
I know. You suckered me. You are too much.
Now that she knows please, not every time she wants
I
something,
know,
she'll say please,
You're a
please.
sucker. Uh-oh, it's stuck on Mommy. Hold on. Wait a minute. There. All
Yeah,
done.
all done.
You want something to drink? Water? I'll get you some water. Water? Water? I love that she knows the water's in their fridge. Oh, that was
All done. All done.
Can you say thank you? Or whatever.
I think she was thirsty.
What were you doing in the Department of Pediatrics? Oh, that's right.
Say bye-bye, Taylor. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye? Taylor. Taylor.
No, all done. It's all gone.
No, it's all done. Once it's all done, it's all done.
But I sat down too.
No.
Maybe there's something in here that's better. Ooh,
No
your
crying.
Lunchables are still in here.
Yep. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Taylor. Bye-bye.